Hey guys, I got another video. I'm showing you a white background instead of the normal wood background today to change it up. Besides that, I have another guess what the heck is it. I have my family here, player 1, 2, and 3, and they're going to try to guess what it is. Player 1, can you guess what this is?
This button does something. Oh, it light up. Is this so you can play like music out of like, so for people who don't have like, what is it, the proper radio for cell phones nowadays? I've seen stuff like that.
Oh,
You put the
I've seen that
cassette,
too.
you put the cassette in, and you're able to connect it to the car, so you could play like your type of music.
You're almost right.
Yeah,
Next.
I have seen something.
It's just for music. It's for me, a cassette tape for music.
But what do you mean? Just a cassette tape with music? Yes and no. You have to tell me the details as to what it actually is. Player 3,
I know what it is, so
you know what it
I
is?
know what it is.
Okay, hold on. Before you say what it is, let's see if the chat room can guess what it is. Any ideas? Okay, player 3, what is it?
I believe it's an MP3 player.
Ding, 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 ding. She got it correct. This is how you use it. So player 3 guessed it, which was my wife. Basically, you turn it on with this red button here. This is the USB port. The USB port, this is how you transfer MP3 files. It plays only MP3 files. No other files, just MP3 files. This is where you plug in a micro USB to USB-A or another type of USB to charge it. Also to connect it to your computer to drag and drop files. It has an 8 gig file size. It's a retro cassette looking MP3 player. It lasts 8 hours. I tested it, 8-hour playtime from beginning to end. It just kept playing. This is the on button to turn it off. You just press and hold until that little light in the middle goes off. And you let go, it's off, and then you press it again real quick, let it go, and that turns it on. We'll plug it into a set of speakers and play some non-copyright music. Copyright-free music. Check this out. The volume is controlled by touching. So to bring the volume down, you have to press here. To bring the volume up, you have to press here. To change tracks, you have to press here for forward. And this one for back.
It's a brand new week and a brand new day and a brand new day.
So it's touch sensitive for the volume. Now, I haven't put the label on. There's different labels to choose from. You can see that on the website. And when you pick the label, it'll have the actual labeling of volume up, volume down, track up, track down, or track forward, track back. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.